What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the oil level on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Under the hood, more on the passenger side is the dipstick right here. This happens to be the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. I'm going to use a rag. Just grab the dipstick. First thing you want to do is wipe off the rag. Make sure the engine's not hot when you're doing this, and make sure you're on a level surface. You don't want the engine to be tipping down or up. You can check the oil level right there. You want it in between these two dots. This would be more on the higher side, which this vehicle is good right there. If it's on the low side, you're going to want to add some oil to it. Generally between these two dots is a quart of oil, but I would start with half a quart if it's low first. Put the dipstick back in. To add the oil, the cap's right here. You can wipe it off if there's any dust. And then sometimes on the cap it actually says what kind of oil to use, and this one does. You can use 5W20 or 0W20. So depending on the climate, that would change, that would differ which oil you put. And then, so add your oil there and then put your cap back on and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.